add this code and see. Let's preview. Wow, look at this. So crazy. Wow. Hello everyone. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to ask ChatGPT to write a HTML code that you can insert on your website. Okay, so we are going to start. Go to ChatGPT, log in. I'm gonna ask ChatGPT to write HTML code for a picture upload. Okay, it's fine. I'm gonna say start. It's writing it. Crazy, right? It's done. This is an example. The form element. Let's see it. I'm gonna copy the code from here. Copy. I'm gonna go to one of my website page, like this one here. I'm gonna say add. I'm gonna say add HTML. I'm gonna paste this code here. I'm gonna say preview. As you can see here, it's done. So you can upload a picture from here, and then you click upload. This is crazy, right? So let's go try another thing. Let's go back to ChatGPT. So this time I'm gonna ask ChatGPT to write for me. Write for me an HTML code for add to card. Enter. It's writing it. Let's see. Crazy. Now I'm gonna copy it and see. And go just HTML, paste. Let's preview. Oh, here. As you can see, nice, right? Okay, this is so nice. This is so nice. I'm gonna do the last request, right? HTML code for a special cell. Let's see. So writing it. Wow, look this. The background is light yellow and 20% of all products. Let's copy it. Let's add this code and see. Let's preview. Wow, look at this. So crazy. Wow. I hope this video will help someone who is in need. Please don't forget to like it, share it, and subscribe. Ciao.